going to increase in the current situation, and if the price of the commodity is going to decrease in the near future, then the demand for the commodity in the current situation is going to decrease. Hence, there is a direct relationship between the demand for a commodity and the price expectation in the near future. So, if the price expectation increases, the demand for the if the price is going to increase in the near future, the demand for the commodity at present is going to increase, and if the demand for the commodity is going to decrease in the near future, then the demand for the commodity at present is going to decrease. Hence, there is a positive relationship between the demand for a commodity and the price expectation in the near future. Now, the next factor affecting the demand for a commodity is the pattern of income distribution, or YD. Now, what do you mean by pattern of income distribution? How is the income distributed in the economy? Whether it lies in the hands of a few rich people or whether it lies in the hands of a few poor people. Now, if the income lies in the hands of a few rich people, then the demand for those commodities that is desired by the rich people is going to increase. Now, in case the income is lying in the hands of the poor people, then the demand for the commodities that is desired by the poor is going to increase. Hence, there is a direct relationship or a positive relationship between the demand for a commodity and the income distribution in an economy. The next factor that affects the demand for a commodity is population. What do you mean by population? The number of people residing in a country. So, and it is denoted by Z. So, if the number of people or the population increases in a country, then the demand for a commodity will naturally increase in the economy. And again, if the population decreases in an economy, then the demand for a commodity will also decrease in an economy. So there is a positive or a direct relationship between the demand for the commodity and the population of the country. Now, the last factor affecting the demand for a commodity is demographic structure, or D. Now, what is demographic structure? Demographic structure is nothing but the age structure of the population of the country. So, if the demographic structure is such that there are more number of old people in the economy, then the demand for such commodities that are desired by the old people is going to increase. And if the demographic structure is such that the demand for young people, the number of young people in the economy are more, then the demand for such commodities that are desired by young people is going to increase. Hence, there is a direct relationship or a positive relationship between the demand for a commodity and the demographic structure in the economy. I hope you liked my video on the concept of demand and the factors affecting demand, and I hope you found it informative. Now, a tip to write answers: if you follow the way I have taught you, and if you write all the figurative expressions that I wrote on the board, and if you write the definitions and the explanations the way I have given in the video, I am sure you will get full marks on these two concepts. You should definitely follow my videos to understand how to write your answers well, so that you can score a 100%. The reason why I am making these videos is because I have been giving tuitions for the last 10 years, and I have had students who do not know how to write answers and hence lose. Most of them do definitely turn a deaf ear to me, but those who listen to me have scored 100%. I do give online and offline tuitions. Just in case you want to contact me for the same, the number is given on the